Okay guys, this tutorial is to teach you how to create a shared folder in your Google Docs so that you can share your iSearch work with your teacher and your librarian. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up Google Chrome. So that is this one right here. These directions will only work for Chrome. You don't want to open in Firefox or Internet Explorer. When you open Chrome, I already have it open, the first page it will bring you to is a place where you're going to log in. I'm already logged in. I can see my picture up here and I can see that I'm logged in. You're going to enter your Campbell County student email address and CCS and your lunch number for your password. Click login and we'll go from there. Once you've logged in, you should be seeing a similar screen to what I'm seeing. And you will see up at the top here that there's a box full of boxes. So you're going to click that box and you're going to have some options here. You're going to choose the Drive option. Once you're in Drive, you are now ready to create your folder. So your Drive might look very different than mine. I've got lots of stuff saved in my Drive. You guys might not have as much. I can change the way my Drive looks by changing it to List View by clicking this button, or Grid View. I prefer Grid View, but you can choose whichever one you want. To create a new folder, you're going to come over here to the blue New button. And when you click New, the first option underneath is New Folder. You're then going to click that and you will have an untitled folder, and we're going to change that so that it is your first name. My first name is Brooksy, no space, your last name. My last name is Kramer, no space, the period for your class. So if this is second period, I'm going to put a 2, and then the word iSearch. And you're going to hit Create. Once you hit Create, your folder will show up amid any other folders that you have. So again, I've got my first name, my last name, the period, and then I can't see it, but I've got iSearch there. So we're going to go ahead and double click to open this folder, and right now our folder is empty. So your screen's going to look a lot like mine. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that we give access to our teacher and to me, your librarian, so that we can grade your iSearch work as we go through this. So you're going to come up here where your folder name is, and you're going to click the down arrow, and the third option down says Share. So you're going to click Share, and you're going to here type in the names of anybody that you want to share this with. So your English teacher will share her email with you, but mine, I'm going to just go ahead and do that, is bkramer@campbell.k12.va.us. Okay, to add a second person, you're going to hit comma, and you see how since I typed my name incorrectly, it changes to my name and my picture. So if you are, for example, in Miss Maxwell's class, you would write J. Maxwell at campbell.k12.va.us, and you're ready to share. Once you've typed in both email addresses, you're going to go ahead and hit send. So I hit send, and now I've shared with anybody that I put email addresses in for, and the person who received that will get an email letting us know that you sent that iSearch folder. So we'll be able to get to anything you put in this folder from here on out. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to add things into your folder. So the first thing that you can do is just create a document straight in here, and we do that kind of the same way. We just hit New, and then you can add like almost like a Word document or an Excel or a PowerPoint. And so just by clicking that, I'm just going to call this example. And once I create that, if I refresh my folder, Now I've got my example document here. And remember that whatever I put in this folder, whoever I shared it with can see. So I shared this with the librarian and also an English teacher, so both of those people can see this. The other thing that you're going to want to be able to do is if your teacher shares something with you by email, you're going to want to be able to put it into your iSearch folder, and this will also work for anything shared through Classroom. So I have an email here of a pre-note taking worksheet that I need to move into my iSearch folder. You guys probably have something similar, so if you want to pause this video and open your email or open your Classroom and open a worksheet, you're welcome to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and open this document, and I need to make a copy of it and save it into my iSearch folder. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'm going to come right up here to File, and then I'm going to go to Make a Copy. When I do this, it's going to let me change the name of it. So I'm just going to get rid of where it says Copy Of, and I'm going to have it say Pre-Note Taking Worksheet. Then I'm going to go to my folders, and yours is probably going to look a little different than mine, but you're still going to do the same process. So you're going to click on folders to be able to get to all of your folders, and what you need to get to is probably on yours it's going to say Move to My Drive. So you're going to click Move to My Drive first, and that's going to take you to your drive. So this is probably what yours looked like. You can click on the little arrow here, and then you want to find that iSearch folder that we just created. So I found mine right here. It's going to have that same name. And then you're going to click Select. And you're going to say OK. Now probably you're going to get a message that asks if you want to share it with the people that you've already shared with. So in my example, Ms. Kramer and Ms. Maxwell. And you're going to say yes, because again, that's the only way we can give you a grade is by seeing what you shared. Once you've done this, if you go back to your folder, you'll see that your pre-note taking sheet is now in your folder. So you can close these extra tabs, and then you can open your pre-note taking worksheet, and you can work in here, and any work that you do, the people who you shared your information with will be able to see and grade it. So that is how to create a shared folder and add things into the folder either by creating a separate document or by copying information in and putting it there. Again, this only works with Google Chrome, the directions that I just gave you, so you do have to open this internet browser, not Firefox or Internet Explorer. And when you open that, remember that you get to your drive by clicking the box full of boxes and then the Drive button. And then from there, you can click on your folder. So that is creating your folder. I hope that helps.